It's Saturday night, movie night with your friends. Before the movie starts, you talk about how Scorsese's Taxi Driver could be better if it was shot in a different city. New York City's okay, but what about Detroit or Seattle? With Samsung's The Director's Cut app, you can prove to your friends that you are just as good a director as Scorsese. The Director's Cut lets you replace the background, music, and sound effects of the original movie. Reshoot your favorite scenes your way. After you log in, choose from 10 of the most popular directors from the past. Next, choose your favorite movie and scene that you would like to reassemble. The Director's Cut guides you through the shots you need for the scene. Use your Galaxy Notepad to shoot the scenes, add music, and sound effects. Choose from a variety of lenses and filters to get your desired effect. The production guys will take care of the rest. When you are done, the Director's Cut posts your movie to the Samsung Director's Cut YouTube channel for all your friends to view. Post it to Facebook to see how you compare against other aspiring directors. Each like counts toward the gross profits your project will take in. In the end, you'll compete for the Golden Sammy, the highest award you can receive for directing. Show off your scene on your Samsung 7500 series TV.
You talking to me? You talking to me? You talking to me? Well, who the hell else are you talking? You talking to me?
The Director's Cut lets you prove to your friends that you should be considered for the next big Hollywood sequel. Prove that your vision is just as good as the greatest directors of all time. We'll see you next year at Cannes.